The country's been tipped on its side, and every high-power electricity connection from the far north of Scotland to Cornwall has been mapped out in loving detail. But Simon is bracing himself for the most difficult moment of his day by watching EastEnders. When the credits start to roll, he's going to have to deal with a massive surge in electrical demand, what's known as a TV pickup.
We're expecting a pickup of around about 3 gigawatts, which is 3,000 million watts, or equivalent to 1.5 to 1.75 million kettles going on. So we expect the demand to pick up over a period of about 5 minutes.
Power surges like this are unique to Britain. No other country in the world switches on so many kettles in so short a time. To cope with the strain, Simon has had to put specialised power stations on standby as far away as Snowdonia and Scotland. These hydroelectric plants can set thousands of tons of water plunging down the hillside at a moment's notice, generating huge bursts of power in a matter of seconds. But Simon is also having to ask our neighbours across the channel for a favour.
To assist us with the end of EastEnders, we have the French link picking up, and they are picking up 600 megawatts at 100 megawatts a minute, so that's again a very rapid response.
Simon is slave to this flickering frequency indicator, which he has to keep as close as possible to 50 hertz. If there's not enough power in the national grid, it drops off the scale. Too much, and it shoots off the other side. And he has to judge his timing perfectly, even if the BBC isn't quite working to schedule.
We've been notified a time for the end of the programme, and it hasn't actually finished at that time.
Which means?
Simon fires off instructions from his keyboard. On the other side of the country, vast turbines rumble into life.
Norwich is up to 150. I've just instructed them up to 300 megawatts now. Festiniog is up to 90 megawatts, its full output. French piling in now.
2 minutes into the TV pickup, and it looks like there's going to be more than enough power to go round. And then suddenly, there's a problem.
What is it? Oh, is it the French link?
There's a trip on the additional supply from France. The frequency has dropped dramatically.
We'll only be fine, I'm sure.
Simon has just moments to cover the sudden shortfall. He rapidly sends out instructions to get one more hydroelectric plant online. Then, once more, the supply heads back into the safe zone.
It was an immediate decision. As soon as the frequency dropped through 49.8, I had to react.
The delicate balance of our electricity supply has been restored, for now. And across the country, 1 million kettles keep on boiling.